everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To those of you returning, thank you for coming in. This is a concept that I'm repeating. I did this about 3 months ago with these red and black bags. And this one is the red bag that I used the green spa set in. And then I used nail polish from Big Lots. Everything else in the bag is from Dollar Tree, making this a very affordable gift for someone. And the bag came from Dollar Tree. I took the bow and put a clip on it so that my client can use the bow as they see fit after Christmas. It would be a nice keepsake for them. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Thank you for popping in. Bye-bye, everybody.